Alright, I have a quick video for you. I was flying my drone and having the time of my life. Finally, we have some good weather to fly the drone around. Filming kids playing with snowmen, just minding my own business. And I figured I'd go for a fly, go visit my parents' house since, it's locked down and all. We can't visit in person, so I figured I'd say hi with the drone. But wait, somebody or something stopped me. I couldn't believe it. Look at this. I don't know if you can tell, but a bird started attacking the drone. I think I was flying over its nest. That's my only theory. Please comment below if this has ever happened to you, or if you've seen it, or if you know why this happened. But yeah, I'm not even gonna bother putting my mic on. I just thought I'd share this hilarious video. Enjoy.